Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page with a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is here and now. I need you in the present because your present is going to change and dictate what your future shall be like. The present is the most important place that you can be present in right now. What you do right now will actually affect and transition your future. Don't worry about the past. It's gone. The old you've outgrown that person, place, things, attributes, attitudes, and you're don't worry about the future because why worry about something that you have full control of right now? Only if you take your hands off the controls right now, you have to worry about your future. But no, we're going to be present in the here and now. Understand that the smallest screw in the table, if that falls out, the whole stability of the table shall fall. The smallest things can make the huge difference for your manifestations and for balancing and maintaining your blessings. The future does not exist. The past is gone, and I focus on the present moment. I have the confidence again to live. Because here and now, there's no danger, just opportunity, baby. And everything happens when I and my soul is ready. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.